Alex. Alex, what are you doing? What are you doing? Puppy.
There you go. That's smart.
Good, yeah. Tell me what you're doing. Are you helping Daddy? Huh, Alex? Alex.
Alex, look at Mom.
Tell me what you're doing. Are you helping Daddy?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Daddy, help him a little bit.
Okay.
You're trying to move it. Or move that dust fan.
You hear all that? Man, you are working, son.
Good job, baby.
That is a good job. You got that whole place clean already. Wow.
Did you know you can turn off like that?
Uh-huh. I didn't know you could do, but look at him. Look.
Okay, you're smarter than most of your parents. Okay.
That's nasty. But that's
Don't
where it
put your
goes.
hands in there. Dirty. Dirty!
Dirty. It's doing a lot more, baby. Look. Look. Vacuum all that.
Turn it back on. Vacuum some more.
Wow.
Good job. Alex, I don't know. What would we do without you?
I know, you're just like a cleaning fanatic. You're so good at what you do. Anything you do, you're good. Anything you do, you're good.
What, baby? Alex is finished?
Yeah.
Okay. But there's some more dust.
There's some more.
Okay, well, let Daddy finish it up. Just leave it there. Daddy gonna finish, okay?
You want Daddy to finish? Or you got it?
Got it.
You got it? Okay. Baby, he has it. Look, he got it.
You know exactly what to do, huh?
He got it, baby.
Okay, Alex, Mommy done videotaping you. Say bye-bye to everyone. Look here.
Bye-bye.
Look at Mommy.
Look at Mommy and say bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Sorry.
Dirty, don't touch it.
I put everywhere.
You clean everywhere? You clean more? Okay, clean some more. Uh-oh, it's twisted. Hold on, Papa, let Mommy help you. Hold on.